Hello and welcome to the world of industrial connection technology. Today we're going to take you through the basic concepts of the fluid connector, what properties it has, areas of application, and how to assemble it properly. Let's go into the factory and explore the manufacturing process of fluid connector. The fluid connector is a high-performance connection device designed for industrial fluid transmission. It is made of high-strength alloy materials and can remain stable in extremely low and high-temperature environments. Whether in the severe cold of -40 degrees or in the high temperature of over 200 degrees Celsius next to industrial equipment, the connector can ensure the safe transmission of fluids. Beisit fluid connectors are highly durable and can withstand extreme temperatures, humidity, and mechanical shocks. They are highly sealed to ensure stability and reliability in wet and extremely cold weather environments. Unlike other connectors, fluid connectors can withstand higher temperatures without deformation or material failure, maintaining their structural integrity and sealing. This makes them ideal for use in high-temperature industrial processes or engine systems. The manufacturing process of fluid connectors combines advanced technology with strict quality control. We select high-strength alloys that not only have excellent mechanical properties, but can also withstand extreme environments. The raw materials are cut, polished, and molded by high-precision CNC machines, and each step is precisely calculated to ensure that every part of the connector is of optimal size and shape. In the assembly process, we use advanced automated equipment to accurately combine the various components. After assembly, the connectors undergo a number of rigorous tests, including pressure tests, temperature resistance tests, and chemical resistance tests, to ensure that each product meets the highest quality standards. Meanwhile, our fluid connectors are widely used in a variety of critical industrial fields, including petrochemical, aerospace, and medical devices. Whether it's the transfer of high-pressure fluids or the harsh handling of chemicals, this connector offers reliability. Above is the characteristics and performance demonstration of fluid connector. Whether in low pressure, high temperature, or cold weather working conditions, or in the need for frequent connection and disconnection occasions, fluid connector can provide you with a safe and stable connection guarantee. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Let us secure the best connectivity for your industrial equipment.